people told me I'm ugly, you're not good. Now let me find something that is, oh, I love this pink because there's a pink in the clothes. You guys, you need a friend with a lot of shoes because your life is going to be a lot easier. Like what I'm saying? Yan, shoes is on. Oh boy.
So, do we need a seat in there?
Yeah,
Here, just sit
I
down.
think so, friend. Yeah. This is the outfit na hiniram. And, you know, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna sit here. So, I changed my clothes because... Why not? Charot.
Just because we're being a little extra today.
Exactly. So, the birthday celebrant, you guys, she is going to get ready and she suggested, like, you know, while she's doing her makeup, she's gonna ask me some questions that maybe you guys can relate. And Gracie, she, before her makeup is mascara, eyeliner, lipstick, like what I'm saying.
No foundation, no primer.
Now you guys, if you watch her in my video, if you watch her on my vlog, she does her makeup. So you did a great job, Gracie. She's good at makeup now.
But
you're such a fast learners.
But yeah, here's the thing. Like, I had no idea what I was doing before, and Janin was the really like person who guided me in what the good products to use and something that's affordable, because that's one thing that you should know about me. I am very frugal.
You're very smart with money. That's the only thing that we're not really good at it.
Maybe that's something we can influence, right?
Exactly, right. How many times you buy shoes?
Yeah, so the thing is, I don't buy really expensive stuff. That's the thing, because you know, we have to be wise with our money. So I go to thrift stores anytime that there's on sale, something that's reasonable. Anything that's under $20 is pretty reasonable for a pair of shoes. Otherwise,
under $20, okay? It's not over. Over is expensive.
Yep. Yep.
How many times you shop in the mall in a month?
In a month? In the mall?
Yeah, yeah.
Girl.
Yeah.
Girl. It's like not every month. It's probably every 2 months.
There you go. You see, that's why we need to be friends. You know, you kind of control that kind of side. Girlie, why you're very good in English? So yeah, here's the thing that, like, when I met her, it's like her English is like, oh, did she grow up here or something? She did not. And I always adore the you know, the English spoken in dollars. And you might wonder where's Cheryl's is working. You know, she's working for the economy, you know, helping the economy too.
Yeah.
To spend that money.
You go to the mall and buy stuff.
Correct. You know, she works really hard.
My dad was very adamant about speaking English when we were growing up.
Adamant? Oy, adamant? Ikaw naman, girlie. Adamant, it's too deep.
Too deep. He just really believes that when you know how to speak a different language, he will bring you everywhere, or especially English. So
look at you, it brings you in the closet, it brings you in the vanity. Wow, diba? I think, you know, that's the thing that, like, that's good. Anyways, yeah. She's doing her brows now, you guys.
How about you? How did you get involved with makeup?
I'm ambitious.
Ambitiosa.
Correct, diba? Na ambitiosa. I love makeup. When I get here in US and, you know, I get a job and, you know, I'll be able to afford those Revlon. I got addicted to it, you know. It's addiction, but it's not addiction, it's a therapeutic. Nagrason. So how do you get involved in makeup? Now you're good at contouring, blending, and stuff like that. Besides of, you know, having friends like us.
I think really makeup is art. You know, that's how it's a matter of expression, and it's art for me. You know, it's not as simple as someone just knowing immediately how to do it.
Correct. So what did you think about when I do my makeup, like when I do my YouTube back then? Like, what do you think about? Do you have a doubt?
No. So and
roasted.
I know I've told you about this before. You know, like when I heard about you doing YouTube, I know that you can do it, but it's just really you were so shy. You were
I know how.
You know how to express yourself, but then at the same time, it's just a matter of you getting comfortable
Exactly.
in front of the camera.
And you know, a menu, it's speaking English. Yeah.
That's what I like about your videos. You're just always having fun, and you don't care about what people say.
Right.
When you're good at what you do and you're passionate about it.
Passion. Her bras are diba on flakes.
I had no clue how to do that before until I met you.
Ay, look at her palette. It's beautiful. It reminds me of James Charles Murphy, and it's called Beauty Glaze, and she got this from Amazon. Cool tones, warm tones, jewel tones, everything.
You got the
is in
shimmer, you
here.
got the matte.
Yes,
It's only like
Your
$13.
shades, $13,
I think.
nice. So yeah, we're using like a mustard yellow, you know, just a matchy.
So this is it's gonna be a first for me. What's the next color?
Oh, diba? You're from the outer be going just like a smoky.
What does your family think about you doing YouTube videos?
My family is my #1 fans, Charot. At first, I think they think I'm crazy too, I guess. They just can't believe I did it.
So what was your first impression about, you know, when you were just starting YouTube and you were getting some criticism, things like that, and what brought you to the point where it didn't stop you?
Oh, it's a good question. It's all about pakapalan ng pagmumukha. Charot. People told me I'm ugly, you're not good. You know, like, she's so OA. Somebody even told me ang sarap ko daw sampalin, ganon. Yes, I mean, I was like, okay. But you will never stop. You kidding me? It's fun because thank you for the views, ganon. Whatever you do in life, small things or big things, people's gonna say some so might as well go ahead and do some
You can't please everybody, and not everybody will like you, and that's okay.
So yeah, I think I'm good. I'm saying
It really takes a lot of confidence, you know. I don't think I'd be able to do it.
Perfect. So this is like more sounds it already. Now I want you to do it is I want you to get the dark color.
Of course, our very good friend Cheryl.
Okay, Cheryl.
This palette.
So let me see what
So this is a superhero.
The daring one. I want you to place the daring one from your outer V going down just like to smoke it out. Yes.
So also my brushes are just from Amazon or TJ Maxx. Z45. I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, bye.
Like, girl, please don't give me those numbers. I like that.
A little bit more on this.
Yes. The next that we're gonna use is the You Can Be. And this is it's also Amazon. So girl, I want you to send all of the link for me so I can put in the description box down below.
Yeah.
And you guys, this reminds me of Huda palette, and it is pigmented. So she's using Too Faced and she's using the Revlon. You don't need a lot of makeup though. Your skin is, her base is good. Ours is not good. Concealer time. Dab 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 dab.
It's just a few dots.
Girl, lift those cheekbones. Your face feature is just like your cheekbones is up here.
So growing up, what's your biggest insecurity?
My hair, my brows, and my skin. Can you believe that?
Yeah. I love your hair. So.
Yeah, you guys, like, I hate my hair because it's wavy. It's very dark. I hate my brows because it's like a monkey. It's not a monkey. It's like, you know what? Like Lorac. It's very close together. I hate my skin. It's very dark. I hate that. I hate all of them. And but coming here in US, girl, everything that I hate, I love it. So never change, you guys. Never change what you hate about your body, because you know, I always look up this way, and you know, I've seen this a lot of people that the stuff that they hate is what makes them like better person, like, you know, what makes them like more beautiful. Wag nag-claim talaga ng beautiful.
Yeah, and it makes you so unique.
Correct.
Like,
how about you?
Yeah, growing up, like my cheekbones, I thought that, you know, it was really high. My teeth, like my siblings, they have amazing teeth. Mine growing up, it was like apart. Like I had
really,
gaps.
like crooked.
I had gaps in my teeth.
Okay, it's like one set apart.
Right. But I think growing up, I didn't really focus a lot about myself. We had to study hard. That's the thing.
Girl, this one here study so hard. So my face is very oily that you can cook shrimp here. Hanging out with smart people make you smart. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, here you go.
Or should I say just like feeling smart? Let me talk to the mirror too.
Jenna, what's your favorite about putting makeup?
Everything. I love contouring my nose. Or should I say I love bruntouring.
I know why.
Yeah.
Because you see the result of the difference of
Exactly. The difference is like unbelievable.
So this is the Tarte palette.
Yes,
and
that's
this is the
very
bronzer,
nice.
the highlighter. You gave this to me though. This for Christmas.
I love that thing, girlie. That thing is really good. And look at this jawline.
I know.
Lakas makatone Gonzaga, te.
So sharp.
It's the trend now. The sharper, the better. Ooh, Milani. I have that one. I love it.
I learned this from you. So this is actually $6. Affordable. You got all your light shade of pink, the dark shade, and
That
what
is
I do is I
nice.
just mix them.
Kapag contour na nga.
So how do you put your blush?
It's all about preference. I always like here in the cheek, drag it up because I want to be like more lifted.
So just raise it like
Yeah,
this,
from
right?
here, yes.
Is that good?
Yes, tapos you can like blend a little bit more. Sa sobrang init, na-erase yung ano ko, yung contour ko sa ilong. Kaloka.
How important do you think to actually have close friends when you're, you know, for people abroad?
It's very important, girl, because you know, they cook Filipino food. No, I'm just joking, you guys. What's the question again? Question one more.
How important do you think is having friends when you're working abroad or when you live abroad away from your immediate family?
It's important to have friends because you know you have something to talk to. If you're by yourself, no friends, you're away from your family, I might like end up to the mental hospital. Like, girl, what happened? She doesn't have a friend. So it's very important to have somebody to talk to. Yan lang, papaulit-ulit, inulit-ulit ko lang siya. How about you?
To be honest with you, like for me, I'd rather be alone and maybe be with my husband or whatnot than spend time with people who are not genuine towards me. For me, that's important. Trust for me is something that's as important as my sanity.
What sanity? Grabe, ang lalim naman nito! Grabe ka naman, girlie. Sinabi ko lang naman na ang kay Megan. Sanity na naman siya. Sanity na naman siya. Sanity na naman siya. Grabe.
Hey, you mentioned about mental hospital, so...
Oh, sanity. Sanitizer. It's very important, di ba? Mabubobo to sa akin eh.
I need to contour my nose now.
Oh, go ahead, contour your nose. This is your house. This is your makeup. Contour it.
So, what can you say about people, especially women, you know, when they say that they don't have a choice about a situation?
You always have a choice. You can run, you can hide, you can never stop my love. Charot. Nabaliw na. You always have a choice, you know. You have a choice to be happy. You have a choice to reach your goal. You have a choice to be stagnant. So, CHOICE. Ladies' choice. Ginawang mayonnaise. Anyways, you guys, for her eyelashes, this is from TJ Maxx. Go big or go home. Ganon. Pilukan niya from Baguio to Manila. Ang taas niya. Charot. So Grace is from Baguio. So you guys, it's very hard to adjusting the processing of the Tagaloging. Charot. Ayun, nabaliw na. Pop in these lashes, girl.
I think it's too much.
It's extra. I told you. Look at her. She bent it.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise.
That's how you pop those lashes, hunty. You hear me? Dang, girl!
Dang, girl!
Tsaka, may paanalo ka pa dito.
Alright.
Girlie, ano ang pinakamalaki sa'yo?
No, oh my god. My forehead is so big. It's actually like the same size as my face. So we are 15 minutes away from the airport. The pilots might think that this is the landing strip.
Kaloka naman to.
So,
it's a blessing. It means there's so much brains in there. You know? So almost done, you guys, and we can't wait to grill. After this makeup.
This is quite pricey. Our good friend Cheryl. She's very generous.
Kailangan niyo talaga ng kaibigan.
Yes, that's why you need someone who actually works in the makeup world. If you want expensive makeup for free,
Diba?
that's the way to go.
Now I'm doing a drunk blush. Nabuang na. Nagganahan na minuong ko.
Alright.
Okay, you guys. So now it's lipstick time. Charot. Yeah, and she's gonna put her lipstick and I'm gonna show you guys her makeup and outfit ng bonggang-bongga, di ba? Oh,
So,
dami!
Nude.
It's your birthday, go extra mile.
I wore this.
I like this one.
What's your message to your fans?
You know, I always, my message is just like, I thank them, who genuinely support me. I thank them that, watching my videos. You guys, that's like what, 10 minutes of your time that you spend with me, like in my vlogs. And maybe a lot of you guys like binge watching my vlogs, I think. I'm always thankful, girlie, small or big. Before I said, if I have 10 viewers, it makes me very, very happy.
And how many subscribers do you have now?
I have like 8,000 subscribers, It's like a lot of people. Like, that's more than my fingers, okay? A quick tip, this is how you pick your accessories. You lift your palda and then you find out the same color. Maybe this one, or I love this. It's so like boho. There you go, you guys. This is Grace's final look. Hello. Let me see the eyes. Yes, auntie. Pack. Light is on.
Bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurry, my skin's getting thicker each day.
Yes, ma'am. Here. Very, very, very extra spicy. Charot. Ginawang magkain.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Janet. I really appreciate
You're
it.
very, very welcome. Happy birthday. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Way! Let's be friends, cuz. Why not? And I'll see you in my next video. So, mag-grill na.
Mag-grill.
Yeah, this outfit is for grilling outside.